Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove Opera GX suggestions. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Opera GX web application, which of course I have done right here. Welcome to Opera GX. Customize your browsing experience in a few simple steps and you can change everything later in the settings. Thank you. Now, how or where can you find the Opera GX app? Head over to any browser of your choice and launch the browser. In your browser, locate the search bar. In the search bar, type operagx.com and that's going to take you to the official website for Opera GX. Now, once you get in there, you're going to see the download Opera GX button. Click on that and follow through with the on-screen prompt to download and install. On successful installation, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Opera GX. So now that we're here, come on. Let's hop into today's text, which is how to remove Opera GX suggestions. Have those suggestions pop-ups been annoying and you just want to get rid of them? This is what you can do. At the left corner of your screen, you're going to find a couple icons, which are labeled once you move the cursor to them, like GX Control, GX Cleaner, Twitch, Mods, head over to Settings, and click Settings. So this is the settings window. Okay, now to make the search really simple for us, head over to the search bar, which is at the top right corner of the screen, and in this search bar you're going to type in start page. So here you have a couple options here on startup. Begin fresh with start page, retain tabs from previous sessions, display the start page first, and you have open a specific page or set of pages. And all the next thing you're gonna find in this start page is hide search box and hide speed dial, hide add side button, and show speed dial suggestions. This is where we're coming to. Okay, so from here just head over to the right corner and you're gonna see that the toggle, it's been toggled on. Like, because it's been toggled on, that's why it's showing purple. If it's not toggled on, that's gonna be disabled and that purple thing is not gonna be there. It's not gonna be like gray. So if you want to turn off or remove the suggestions, just leave it like this. Toggle it off. But if you think the suggestions are pretty cool, just toggle it on and just leave it like that. But we're gonna toggle it off because this tutorial says so. So this pretty much the process. This is how you can remove Opera GX suggestions right here in the application. I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.